First trip with the new truck camper. Timed it just perfect with the snow. 5 inches of fresh overnight, plus it's been snowing. Probably a good 6 or 7 inches on the mountain. Gonna be a good day. Hey guys, just got done doing some runs here at Copper. The first truck camper trip with the new truck camper. Came at a great time too. They got about 7 inches of snow last night. It's been a great day. It was a blizzard when I got here and now it's bluebird. Really nice and warm out. Just gonna take a quick lunch break. Gonna fire up the generator. What I'm going to do is take my shovel here and dig a hole right back there and put the generator in there just to kind of muffle the noise. First hole, awesome. All right, so I got the little Harbor Freight generator all set up, fired up first pull. It's pretty warm out though. It's probably like 25, 30, and the sun's out, so maybe even warmer. But got everything all plugged in. Just got the extension cord running down here. And I mean, you can see the generator is very quiet. I put the lid just right over it. But yeah, the snow baffle box or muffle box looks like it's gonna work really well. I mean, we can go over here. From here, you can barely hear it. So let's hop on inside and see how loud it is in there. So I am here inside the truck camper. The generator is outside. It's on and it is going, and you can just barely hear it. And it's pretty close. I mean, it's probably only 10 feet away from the truck camper, if that. So I'm running the generator for a couple reasons. One, I don't have solar on my truck camper yet. I wish I had solar today, because as you can see, it is extremely nice out. But that's one reason. And the other reason is really when I run this heater, it's a fantastic heater, but it does have a fan in there. And from what I've heard, it kills your battery pretty quick. And so I don't want to kick my heater on during the day, kill my battery, and then be hosed at night when I go to sleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the generator during the daytime, and so my battery stays nice and fresh. And then at nighttime, what I'll do is I'll turn the generator off, and then the heater will run off of the battery in the nighttime, and I don't have to worry about fueling up the generator or anything like that. So that's my plan and what I'm going to do for right now. So just got done eating some lunch, and I'm just sitting here doing some work stuff. Gotta do some accounting, but I have the heater going, got my laptop plugged into this surge protector, and my boot dryer's going. And with the music and everything, I mean, I can barely even hear the generator. I mean, especially when the heater's going, I can't even hear the generator at all. So I think it's going to work out really well, just putting the generator just right in the snow like I have it now. Hey guys, so I am just hanging out in the truck camper here, just kind of chilling, watching some South Park as I cook dinner. One thing that is really nice about the truck camper is I have this auxiliary jack that goes right up to my speaker system, and so I am watching my movie here and listening to it on the speakers. And I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the generator is going in the background there. Having some beers. And since I do not have an oven, I'm experimenting with cooking a pot pie, kind of Dutch oven style on the stovetop, just like that. And it seems to be working really well so far. So looking forward to that. Just to show you guys temp wise, right now it's 8 degrees outside, 65 in here. You can hear the furnace just kicked on. Hopefully you can see that. What's crazy is the heater is on the lowest setting. So there's a thermostat right there. So, I mean, it is plenty warm in here. And I have the heater on the lowest setting. I don't have the buddy heater in here or anything. It's really nice and warm. It's pretty awesome. So I do have the upper bunk section kind of curtained off here to try to keep some of the heat in the lower section, but it seems to be working pretty well. So just kind of waking up. It's snowing. Got a couple inches overnight, which is great because I got about 7 yesterday. Right now it's 61 degrees inside, 18 outside, so not too bad. Just kind of hanging out, doing a little bit of work stuff. It's gonna be another good day. Well, another truck camper trip in the books. The new truck camper worked very well, stayed nice and warm. Actually got hot a couple of times. And the battery didn't die too. Generator fired up. And then on top of it, got fresh snow yesterday and today, so it was great snowboarding. Until next time.